What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Everything Weapons. Today we're going to be reading from thefirearmblog.com, so all credit to them. Inland MFG brings back the classic Maxim Model 1910 suppressor. Inland MFG at GunCon 2026 talked about the new Model 1910 suppressor, a faithful homage to Hiram Percy Maxim's original 1910 offset bore design build to keep the can out of your sight picture. Inland's version, available in .30 caliber and .357/9mm, uses a modern monoblock build that makes it easy to run and even easier to service. Once it's on the barrel, it never has to come off, even for cleaning. The Model 1910 suppressor is, of course, supposed to pair seamlessly with the Inland M1 carbine advisor pistol, sold without a stock for an easy path to a truly fun and unique two-stamp gun. So, just a little bit of news. Looks really cool. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.